In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to Google Calendar. Let's get started right inside Google Calendar. Open your browser and head to your Google Calendar homepage. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account where you want this new calendar to live. You should see your main calendar view with your events laid out in a day, week, or month format. At the top right of the screen, look for the small gear-shaped icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon. When you do, a drop-down menu appears with several options related to how your calendar looks and behaves. From that drop-down, click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to a new page dedicated to all of your Google Calendar settings. It might look a bit overwhelming at first, but we're only going to focus on one section for now. On the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a sidebar with different categories. Find the section that says Add Calendar. It may be grouped under other calendar-related options, but it should be clearly labeled. Click on Add Calendar to expand that area. Once you've clicked it, you'll see a few different ways to add a calendar. For this video, we're going to create a completely new one. Select Create New Calendar. This opens a form where you can define the basic details for your new calendar. First, type in the name of your calendar. Choose something that clearly describes its purpose, like work projects, family schedule, or fitness plan. A clear name will help you quickly recognize it later, especially if you end up managing several calendars. Next, there's a space for a description. This part is optional, but it's useful if you want to remind yourself what this calendar is for or share context with other people you might invite. For example, you could describe what kind of events go here or who it's intended for. After you've entered the name and, if you like, a description, scroll down and find the button labeled Create Calendar. Click on that. Google will take a moment to set everything up. Once it's created, your new calendar will appear in the list of calendars on the left side of the main Google Calendar view. You can now start adding events to it, change its color, and adjust sharing settings as needed.